Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create highlight captions on CapCut. So here I've already opened projects with of course like dialogue on it, and here what you need to do first is generate the captions. So go to captions, and here you'll be directed to to generate the auto captions. Don't forget to select the language and also the sound source. Choose video, and after that here I'm going to disable this first, and after that click on generate. So CapCut will generating the captions. Just wait until it's done. After the caption is generated, click on one of the caption and go to style, and to create highlighting caption you can go to animations, click on the captions and find the uh, border pop up, this one, and here go to the top first and make sure that the animation apply to all of the captions. So you need to make sure that it's green like this or it's blue like this. Click on the check icon, and this is the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks. Bye.